One of the issues that you're going to come up with DIY Ecoglaze OnSash is door furniture. So this is a casement window and this is how it opens and locks. Naturally, this is where the OnSash moulding needs to go. But you can see that it's not really going to go through there, and if it comes down from the top you can also see we're basically stopping there. So we would have a gap with no mouldings. You can do that if you wish, but a better way to do it is to remove the window furniture, fit the OnSash, and then fit the furniture again through the magnet part of the moulding. And so that's what we're going to do here. Just one word though, before you remove this, it's good to measure where it goes so that you can put it back in the same place afterwards. And also bear in mind that when you remove this from the window, there's nothing to hold the window shut. So you might want some carpenter's wedges to use to drive in from the outside, just to hold the window shut. Just tap them in with a hammer gently, and so as to hold the window shut while you're working with your Ecoglaze, DIY Ecoglaze OnSash on the inside. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now, and we'll come back when it's time to fit the window furniture back on the window. Well, you can see that DIY Ecoglaze OnSash has been fitted to this window. And also you can see that some holes have been prepared for the window furniture to go back on through the actual moulding. Now, of course, the original screws would be too short for that, so we've had to find longer screws to do that. So let's fit that now. Just got to fit the bottom one as well before tightening up. Okay, you can see that that's firmly on through the moulding. We do have acrylic in here so that it's a finished product. And now we'll need to fit the other part of the furniture. This is with the original screws. There we are. Better than new.